In this video, I will guide you on how to turn off Facebook daily time limit. For this, you want to launch open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, you want to select Settings. While you're on your settings, you want to scroll down a bit, and here you should be able to find the option of Your Time on Facebook. You will find this under the Preferences section. Go ahead and select that. Now, you will find different options here. Find the one that says Manage Your Time. Go ahead and tap on See Tools. Now, you will find two options here. One is Sleep Mode and the second is Daily Limit. Go ahead and select the Daily Limit one. As you can see, currently you have set that to 30 minutes. You can increase your limit from here, but if you want to turn that off, then go ahead and tap on the Off option. Once that is done, tap on the Save option. Now you have successfully turned off Facebook Daily Time Limit. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.